Okay, we are given this question. Find the center and radius of the circle 4x squared plus 4y squared minus 28y plus 33 is equals to 0. It's actually a circle because it fulfills the condition for a circle. We have the x and y squared, x squared and y squared having the same coefficient. So that gives us that it's a circle. So now we need to see how to go about solving this question. What you notice that the coefficient of x squared and y squared is not 1. So the first thing we need to do is to find a way of reducing it to 1. So we divide through by 4. By the time we divide through, you have y minus 7y plus 33 over 4 equals to 0. So the x squared term and x, collect them together to be on one side of the equation. The y squared and the y term, bring them together. The one that is constant, take it to the right hand side of the equation. So we have x squared 0x, but the coefficient is 0 times x will give you 0. So we also have y squared minus 7y equals to minus 33 over 4. So the process of completing the square now, x squared plus 0. So you will find the half of 0. Half of 0, that will give you 0. So you can square that. You find half of it, then you square it. So the same thing applies. 7 minus 7y. So you find half of 7. That will give you 7 over 2. Then you square that also. Equals to minus 33 over 4. Now we have added some strangers here. We have added this and we have added this. So invariably we must do that to the other side too. Whatever we have added here, we must also add it to this side. So I'm going to move that. And I'm going to do that so that the question is not altered. This 0 squared will cancel this 0 squared. This 7 over 2 all squared will cancel this 7 over 2 all squared. So the question is not altered in any way. The equation remain as it were. So we now do what we call completing the square. You pick x. Just take the x. You ask yourself, what is the sign here? The sign here is plus. Then you pick one of the 0 here and square it. Y. Then you ask yourself, what is the sign here after the y squared? What's the sign after it? Is minus. Put the minus sign. Then pick this 7 over 2. So now you pick that. That's good. So now this will give us minus 33 over 4 plus 0. I don't need to write this 0. Let me remove that. So this will give me 49 over 4. So I now have this. So if you subtract this, this will give you 16 over 4, which invariably is 4. So which invariably is 4. Well, let's do it like this. Let me put this to this side. Then bring this. So now the equation of the circle is given as x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared is equals to r squared. So this man, I can still work on this. This is squared, sorry. This is an omission. This is an omission. So I can work on this. I can still work on this and bring it down here. So this one will not be 2 squared. So for you to look similar with what we have done there. So now I'll bring this one down here. Now we can now compare terms. Compare terms. So minus a is equals to 0. Invariably 0. A is equals to 0. Then minus b is equals to minus 7 over 2. So you can say that our b is equals to 7 over 2. So our a comma b is equals to 0 comma 7 over 2. So note a comma b at the center of this, at the coordinate of the center of the circle. So the radius, from there we can also see our radius, which is equals to, so our r squared, you can see our r squared is equals to 2 squared. So invariably our r is equals to 2. So we have been able to get the coordinate of the center. The coordinate of the center is 0, 7 over 2. The radius of the circle is 2. So this is how to go about solving questions like this. If you are given a question like this is how to go about solving it. So I hope you gain something from this solving of this equation. So please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel and then share this video with your friend. So see you again in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. So I'll be expecting you back in the next video. Thank you very much.